Hello again, this is Robert Veach here. This is my video review of the STEALTHO brand. Their desk or wall cubicle partition file organizer has a patented design, RedDot Award winner in office supply design. It's hanging file folder with boltless assembly in 5 sections. It's black. This is the way it came in the mail with this really heavy duty box. First time I'm opening this up. Let's take a look what's inside here. First thing they have is a card. You can scan this QR code, and I'm going to have a link where you can purchase these wheels. I love these wheels. In fact, I'm sitting on them right now as I'm doing this review. So here is a basic setup guide. It talks about their patent, letting you know how to set this up. Should be relatively simple. And then it has product sections inside the box. So we're going to separate those. So there was a little bag that had this in there, and it looks like it's stainless steel screws with some expandable mounts on there, and these are really oversized, so this could be used in drywall or concrete, stucco, anything, and that's an alternate way to hold this unit up on a structure. So after you take it out of the package, here's what you have. You have the base. We're going to turn that over because it has some other component on there. And you have 1 through 5 file folders. The first thing I noticed is, I was wondering why the box was kind of heavy. This is built like a tank. This is really smooth and very dense and very thick plastic. So it's very, very strong, and that's going to prevent it from warping, which is really nice. So this, going over, this is a premium file organizer that has won the most prestigious RedDot Award for Best Design. So it'll help make your workspace or home office or classroom more stylish, organized, and modern. It's a patented boltless system, so there's nothing to assemble, no nuts or bolts required. This innovative design allows you to assemble it in any place really quickly on a desk, vertical or table format. Now obviously this is going to be used to hide contents of documents from curious eyes. It prevents files from falling out from its sides. Perfect for accountants, lawyers, brokers, and other professions. Just want to clean up your desk. This is perfect for that. There's silicone pads on the bottom we're going to show. Prevent sliding and safe for any surface. The front ledge can be used as a mailbox, pen holder to store office supplies, or a mobile device holder or gadgets. We're going to show that too. They're talking about this little ledge right there. So there's 5 storage sections. They're separated, they're labeled 1 through 5. You can see the STEALTHO logo right on there, so you know they're putting it the right way. Very simple. So we're just going to assemble this. So before I assemble it, I flipped it over so we can see the back side. There's the little red silicone high resistive pieces that they added there. Here you can see you can hang this on the wall directly using those screws that I showed earlier. You also have these clips right here. These clips come out, and this clip can be used to hold it just like that. Then you can use it on a partition that you typically have in offices, so you have that option. So you have this, 2 of those, or using those screws on a wall. Now for this application, I'm going to just assemble it on my table, and then I'll decide if I want to put it on my wall afterwards. So if you look closely at this, you'll notice that there are the notches right here which accept those shelves. Here's that front space that you can utilize. They're on an angle, so you're going to have a choice of having this be in the vertical format or horizontal. And that's the whole concept here. So if I go to the panels and I go to number 5, and you notice that it has a straight edge and a curved edge. So if I place that right in there like that, then it's obvious for table use. If I open this up and I put it in that same slot in that direction, then it's set up for vertical use. Very simple, and it really stays in place. There's no mounting involved on there. It just slides in place. So that's number 5. Here is number 4. Let's find number 3 next. Here's number 3. Here's the second one, number 2. And here's the first one, which is labeled 1. And it goes just like that. And that's it. As you could see, it's assembled, and I was doing a lot of talking, so it's even faster for anybody else. But that's the basic concept right here. This thing stays flat on the table and allows you to use it for all your storage needs, or put it on the wall by using that alternate mounting method. Just want to show you that this front ledge can hold pens and paper clips, things like that, but it also holds a phone beautifully. There's a Pixel 6, and it keeps it on a really nice stable angle so that it's not going to fall. So you can do that also in your office. Very nice. I mean, this is just built really durable. I can't stress that enough. So what do I think about the STEALTHO brand? Their desk or wall cubicle partition file organizer. This is a nice product. I'm going to be using this to help me get a little organized in my desk area where I've got a lot of paperwork. This is really nice product. Very impressed with the quality of it. Very durable. This is never going to warp. This is going to last forever. I'm going to give this product a full 5-star rating. Please remember to hit the subscribe button and the bell icon so you alert the new video uploads. And if you like this review, please hit the like button. I hope the information I presented helped you with all your buying decisions. Thank you for watching.